Amika Normcore Signature Shampoo. Find hair's new normal, hydrated, soft and shiny, with this everyday shampoo, infused with a cocktail of vitamins and antioxidants. Amika Soulfood Nourishing Mask. Deeply condition, hydrate and restore dry hair to its natural vibrancy and health with this replenishing treatment. Amika the Wizard Detangling Primer. Meet the first step in every haircare routine, a weightless, multi-benefit priming spray that detangles, cuts blow-dry time and protects against thermal and environmental damage. Leaves hair smooth, soft and radiant. Top reviews from the United States. Obsessed. I'm obsessed with Amika. I always get a highlight done every 6 months and used high-end conditioners and leave-in treatments in between to repair my hair. Unlike Olaplex, this smells amazing and has a noticeable silky smooth finish to my hair that isn't greasy. Going to try their hair shine next.